Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the appearance within the Happy Color game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Happy Color game on your device, and once you open it up, you will directly be taken into your home screen, no matter whether you are logged into your account or not. Now, from the home screen, you will have the option to log into your account once you tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now, underneath General, you will see the option to log in to sync data. So if you wish to log in, you can log in through this option. Now, within the general settings, you will also find the appearance menu. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will see the various options of appearance. You can tap on the appearance that you want to use, and this will immediately change the appearance color into the one that you just selected. You can change this at any time that you wish, and the appearance will be changed based on your desire. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the appearance within the Happy Color game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.